guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. That's the last time you've seen that because I'm going away today.
Guys, so today we're gonna be showing how to make ramen. Ari's gonna be making it, and how, guys, this knife is very dangerous. And I'm gonna be showing how to make egg without butter.
And don't worry, I do this. I just wake up and drink. Oh my God!
Guys! Oh my goodness! Guys, she had it on. You can go over to my channel where you would have seen Ari making it. Like, it's boiling over and you just
put it back on. Guys, so this gonna take a long time to unpack, so I'm gonna get you on the camera.
So, like, guys, from our channel, like, I'm making scrambled egg. I already put in the butter. You can go over to my channel to see. Ooh. Guys, look at this egg inside. Look at it.
You're making it without oil.
Yes, the oil is finished, guys. So I'm making egg without. But guys, I forgot.
My stove's turned off.
Guys, she turned off her stove. Guys, I
turn on back this stove.
What? Guys, it's because it was boiling over.
But now, guys, this is going to be so satisfying when I do this skin. That it's going to be so satisfying.
Guys, my thing.
May I hold the camera and go?
Yeah.
This is going to be satisfying, bro.
Guys, look at that. It looks like curry.
And it's not curry because I don't like curry. Only if I have to eat curry, I'm doing that. But if me not have to eat it, me not eat it.
So guys, I'm about to put in the salt and pepper. You need that for scrambled egg. Here's the salt. And here's the black pepper. So first, I'm about to put in the salt. You can't put too much. Oops. I don't know if this all get away.
Guys, I want you to WWE and Ramen is saying that he can do whatever he wants. I don't think so. He's getting stranger in his real life. Oh my gosh, Tidan, when you put the ramen, done this so much in there. Sitting in the water.
I have to beat this black pepper inside of it.
Cool, right? Guys, look at this. You want some? Eat some. You can eat it through the phone. Okay, guys. I'm gonna miss Tidan because we literally do everything together. Yeah. And tell why you're going to miss me.
Like, I'm gonna miss Ari. Same thing, we do everything together, and although sometimes we don't get along, but me and Ari, she's the only person I have to play with company. Oh, sorry. I have to just be watching TV on my phone. Yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna have to be doing.
Look a bit up burn, guys. That's why you have to be careful around the fire. You want some, guys? Eat some. Tell them to eat some, man.
Eat some.
It's delicious. I'm gonna taste it with the fork and the spoon and let's see how it tastes. Got everything in our do is crack up and mash up and lanon. So got the back and laton. May I taste it, guys? May I taste it if it tastes. Still and something gonna take longer to mix, I think. Mix or what? Cook, I think.
Yeah. Guys, I'm like recording on my phone. Oh my goodness. Guys, is it really that nice?
No, taste this.
Let me see. Oh my goodness.
Guys, I'm just not saying this on camera. I cook well. So I'm gonna take up mine off the fire. So you're gonna mostly watch Tijan do his. I'm kind of waiting on Tijan. Tijan, did you get the scrambled egg?
Guys, so I was recording over camera, like. So guys, I'm making the egg right there. Oh my goodness! Thank God it's not burning up.
So you finish because I think I'm finished with mine.
Guys,
I'm gonna taste the noodles, guys.
I
Before,
ain't finished it.
before I do the thing.
Guys, here's the egg. Woo! Guys, this is so tasty. Come on, eat some. Look at Ari noodles over there. She's enjoying it out of the pot.
No, me, I see the camera.
Guys, look at Ari's ramen. She put in the chicken.
Me, I've been eating more mixed with the ramen.
Guys, and look at my egg. I already put in the salt. Guys. Like, here's the salt. I already put in it. And I put in the black pepper. Like, guys, I'm gonna taste it if it's really nice. Woo!
The noodles good, but ramen okay.
Woo! Guys, I don't
Want is
Guys, it's kind of hot.
mine hotter than hot.
Guys,
Something you have got to know you want to burn up.
Oh, guys, it's tasty.
Guys, when you have to take off this, be careful.
Yeah.
You can try a recipe without oil,
Yes.
but be careful
Mm-hmm.
when you take it off. Alright, I'm going to
Why
take
am I
off.
keep picking off the fork? And it's dangerous.
Okay, so
Guys,
we're
I
gonna
think
take off
I'm gonna
the
make
same
one
time.
more of it. Well, because it's a little bit. But we're gonna take off at the same time.
Okay.
Guys, I need a plate.
This is my plate when I'm going with, guys. It's kind of cutish.
Guys, it's same thing. Like, guys, look. It's like the pretty flowers. Ah, it's so pretty.
Yes,
So, guys, I'm washing the.
Turn on the flat stove. Turn off the light.
Guys, like, I'm gonna wash off
Come
this
on,
plate.
Tijan, can we do it the same time? Like, take off some of it for the same time.
Guys, I gotta wash off this plate.
Waiting until we're done. Turn it off.
What are we doing in the background? So guys, we're gonna take it off the same time. Woo! I'm gonna take it out with this fork.
I'm gonna take it with this because I wanna like put in my things. Ready, Tijan?
Yeah. Woo!
You need this.
Oh,
Are you gonna
yes.
take it? Okay. You have to take off the fire.
Ready, steady, go.
But the angles are not really hot.
Guys.
Oh gosh, they're hot.
Guys, the angle is hot, so we need this towel.
Make sure you use it, guys. Trust us. Don't feel like we have been too safe. There's not such word as too safe.
Guys, I need Ari's own. You can hear the pot tingling.
And we need mine.
Guys, Ari, I'm coming. My egg.
Satisfying.
First.
Mine are got satisfying.
Yeah, guys.
Where you give me pepper? We need it to something.
Okay, here.
Smoke for me.
What am I gonna take up? Oh, I forgot the angle is not hot. This angle is not hot. I feel like I'm gonna make one more because mine's little. Alright, guys, look.
I'm gonna tap it one day, you know, guys. So me have to post this Oreo fish.
Look at my egg. It's so tasty. Guys, and Ari's about to
Pass the
take.
camera and you get my camera.
So guys, Ari's about to put in the ramen. Like, guys, look at my egg. It's so tasty. Wee. Tasty. Awesome. Eat some.
camera with this.
Guys,
John, show them you know me I take it out because I could satisfy me think they want to see it.
guys, look at the ramen. You can't see it properly though.
But it looked so good. Sorry. So I'm just gonna make it coolish. Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
Oh my goodness.
Guys, you see steam come out there something?
Oh my goodness. Oh.
Guys, we need a bigger plate. Look on this, guys. I had that plate there. Which one, Auntie Pink? I think it's everything.
Guys, she go in the fridge.
Oh, yo, that's saucy, bro. God, me can't eat that. Me can't eat this, so me need to go and smoke a come on. Okay. Oh yes, Tijan, you can eat. Me need this. Me need this, you don't understand.
Guys, so are we just throwing it around?
Show them me before me throw me.
Guys, she's needed. Guys, that's gonna even be more work. Like, look at that.
I just show them me throw it.
Gia.
I have experience with this. I don't know why I do it again.
Because that plate is way too small.
Somebody help me.
Guys, she's about to throw it. By the way, that's my juice that I'm gonna drink with it. Oh, guys. Look at that steam.
From when them a big noodles they come out. Oh.